Why is English important? Why is English so important? Because English is the official language of 53 countries in the world. There are many things that can be enjoyed to the full, and you can get to know people in these countries without having difficulty mastering English. English is the first language for more than 400 million people in the world. In addition, English is also the main language used to communicate in the business world. Therefore, to enter a business or economic activity, it is highly required to master English, especially for business that have activity related to companies in other countries. For example, we can look at China as one of the countries that play a role as a leader in business, innovation, and economic development. China continue to use English as the language they use in economic activities carried out between countries or between companies. In addition to being the language of instruction for all science, English is also the language of instruction for the entertainment and media industries in the world. Even though they have a network that provides news or media using local language, English is still used a common language. For example, one of the international media BBC or Reuters, even though they have several platforms that adapt to the language of certain countries, these two media still use English as the main language. Plus, by mastering English, you don't have to rely on subtitle when reading books, listening to songs, watching your favorite movie and TV show. Almost everything on the internet is in English, starting from the search engine that we use to websites that use English as the general language or the main language. In addition, the internet usually has many discussion forums with interesting topics in it. And many of these forums use English as a language to communicate with each other. Can you imagine what it would be like if you could speak English at all? It will be difficult to find information, and it will also be difficult when you want to join a particular discussion forum. Therefore, it is very important to learn English as early as possible. English is composed of simple and uncomplicated letters of the alphabet. Although many say that English is one of the most difficult language to learn, it seems that English is quite easy and fast to learn. Compared to other languages that use their own letters such as Arabic, Korean, or Mandarin, learning English is still relatively easy. What is over difficult is that English has a different pronunciation that what is written. This is what sometimes often confuse people who are just learning. However, this can indeed be circumvented by continue to practice and learn a lot. As you get used to it, your ability to spell or pronounce a word will definitely improve on its own.
I just relaxing, waiting, and in my head, and explaining the relationship between English and management. The relationship between English and management was to develop his business or import goods, and also when conducting meeting with foreigners. Of course, also use the international language, namely English, And that is why mastering English for business is important, which is an advantage a lot because the products are not only used by local people but also foreigners so that the economy in Indonesia also improves and develops continually and actively. This is not only beneficial for your product but also for the country. That's what I think is the relationship between English and management. Thank you, my friends. And next, continue by Mas Farhan. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
In this last session, I will give and explain several ways on how to quickly master the English language. These methods are: number 1, learn basic English words first. Before you start implementing the habit of speaking English, it's a good idea to first learn simple words in English that are often used in everyday conversation, like the pronouns I, you, he, and other words that are commonly used in everyday conversation. Number 2, after listen to English songs and then see and memorize the lyric. In today's modern technology era, it is certainly easy for you to download English songs. If you are a music lover, of course, learning while listening to music is very fun for you. At this stage, you don't just listen to the song, but listen carefully to the lyrics and then slowly memorize the lyric of the song. In this way, it can also help improve your understanding of how to write good and correct English. Number 3, enjoy watching English films without Indonesian subtitles. Another fun thing that you can use as a tool to learn English is to watch movies in English. Of course, to make you smarter, start by watching movies without Indonesian subtitles. If you are still having trouble, use Indonesian subtitles, but not too often. If you find a word that is difficult, write it down and look up the meaning to add to your English word dictionary. Number 4, frequently read English literature. Reading is not a habit for most Indonesians, but of course, even if you don't like it, you still have to start learning to read any literature in English. This will improve reading skills. Number 5, look up the meaning of English word that you don't know in the English dictionary. If while listening to music, watching movies, and reading in English and you come across foreign words that you don't understand, don't just skip it. Record and look up the words in the dictionary and then remember the meaning of the words. Number 6, try writing something in English. Next, when you have a lot of English vocabulary, start writing something in English to improve your writing skills. Number 7, start learning to speak English. Slowly learn to talk with fluent in English. You have to be confident and don't be afraid of mistakes before you try. Number 8, make it a habit. Make all of these ways a habit or routine so that your English skills can improve quickly. Last number, keep practicing whenever and wherever. Don't be shy and don't hesitate to show that you are learning English. Keep practicing anytime and anywhere. Some of the explanations and methods that I have provided may be useful. If there are shortcomings and advantages, I apologize profusely. Thank you and see you soon.